everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to make a karaoke in PowerPoint. First, go to PowerPoint and create a new presentation. Then, go to Insert and click on Audio, then select Audio on my PC. Now, select the audio you want to add, and then click on Insert. Here, click on Play in the background. And now go to Insert again and insert a text box. Then go to the lyrics and copy the first line and go back to the presentation and paste it in the text box. Let's change the font and the size. Now, click on the text box and go to Animations. And here, select an entrance animation. Let's select up here. Click on the animation pane to manage your animations here and select here after previous. Now, select the text box again and click on Add Animation. And here, let's add an emphasis animation. Click on Brush Color. Now, let's add an exit animation. Let's select Disappear. Now, click on the text box and duplicate it and drag it here. Now, let's go and copy the second line and paste it here. Now let's rearrange the animations. And select all the animations by holding the Ctrl key and selecting the animations. And here select to start after the previous. Now let's change the duration of the emphasis animations. Let's do 2 seconds. Now click on Play All to see the animation. You can change when you want the animation to end. Now let's play the animations again. Let's start from the first one. Let's add a delay to the first emphasis animation of 1 second. And let's play again. Okay, here select the 2 emphasis animations and right click on them. Then click on Effect Options. Here you can change the color. And here you can add the percent delay between letters. Let's add a 4%. And in the timing, you can add a delay, duration, a repeat. And here you can change the text animation. Then click on OK. And that's it. Now you can add the following text and and change the settings of each animation to sync the animations with the lyrics. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!